Live from the MultiGP headquarters, this is MultiGP News.
Today on MultiGP News, the very first regional qualifier in the country wrapped up down in the southeast over the weekend, all the race results coming up. Plus, Nytfury and DolmaFPV go head-to-head in California. A full recap of the races at Grove Raceway this weekend straight ahead. Also, Tier 1 chapters, listen up. We've got some rewards for you hardworking chapters you don't want to miss. All this and much more coming up on MultiGP News.
The most memorable afternoon. 2 races to go. $25,000 to award. While we watch right now, Free Fall, 32 bits a gill, Nurk, and Captain Vanover. Let's go live on the tune in less than 5.
6 o'clock, and we don't know what's going on yet. We don't know if we're going to have an event tomorrow.
Welcome back, everyone. Here are your top stories this week on the MultiGP Rundown. Excitement was high at the Grove Raceway in Ventura, California over the weekend after some team and individual races went down, followed by the long-awaited Nytfury versus DolmaFPV face-off and the call-out challenge. Let's take a look. What a fun race out in California. Pyro Drone hosted individual and team races, plus the infamous matchup between Sean Nytfury Taylor and Andy DolmaFPV Marchilian in the call-out challenge at the Grove Raceway in Ventura County over the weekend. The event sponsored by Pyro Drone, Emax, Heli Nation, and Lumineer. The race kicked off with team races on Saturday. 7 teams battled it out on the track, but these 3 teams coming out victorious. Team Emax coming in 3rd, Pyro Drone 2nd, and Team Heart of America coming out on top, taking the #1 spot in team races. Next, individual races, 60 pilots came together from all over the country to fight it out on this very fast track that many pilots were saying was a battery burner. The race was smooth sailing, but after some tough competition, these 3 pilots came out on top. 3rd place going to Andy DolmaFPV Marchilian, 2nd place going to Evan Heads Up FPV Turner, and 1st place going to Corey Miwo FPV Ibanez. Finally, the long-awaited face-off between Sean Nytfury Taylor and Andy DolmaFPV Marchilian took place. After 10 races, the OG of FPV, the one and only Sean Nytfury Taylor, took down Andy DolmaFPV Marchilian in the call-out challenge. Congratulations, Sean Nytfury Taylor. Now, our regional finals in the Southeast region will take place at the Grove Raceway. Visit multigp.com for a full listing of the schedule. As we move into the 2018 Regional Series, we'll update you on the standings, highlights, and the top pilots moving up in the rankings right here on MultiGP News. The very first regional qualifier closed out in the southeast region of the country over the weekend. Central Mississippi drone racers hosted the first qualifier in Brandon, Mississippi last Saturday, followed by the 2nd regional qualifier hosted by Columbus Multi-Rotor Club in Columbus, Georgia this past Sunday. Check it out. It's a wrap! The first regional qualifier in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series closed out over the weekend. Central Mississippi drone racers hosted the first race with 13 pilots competing. Pilots traveled from Florida, Tennessee, Mississippi, and several locals joined forces to battle it out for their chance to advance to the regional finals. The weather was less than desirable, the temperature in the upper 40s most of the day, but pilots still pushed forward. Many competing had issues with the gate in the last turn right before the timing gate. Some even crashed out near the over-under gate. A big thank you to Central Mississippi drone racers 901 FPV and Gettysburg FPV for making this race possible. For chapter organizers, the best part about the race was hanging out with everybody in the pits and just talking setups. It was just great to have pilots come out all the way from Florida just to race with the chapter. Lucas Droner Dearborn took first. The great Tier 1 chapter leader Alec Lundy FPV Lunsford was second, and Elio EM Drones took third. Meanwhile, in Georgia, the second qualifier was hosted by Columbia Multirotor. 33 pilots traveled as far as Memphis, South Carolina, and even Miami to compete for their chance to advance to the finals. After some nail-biting competition, here are the top pilots. Currently, Droner leads with 18 laps, 6 minutes, 57 seconds, .761, which is the total of his best 3 rounds of 5. Top 100 pilots per region at the cutoff advance to the regional final. The next regional qualifier in the calendar is in the Bay Area in Livermore, California on Saturday, April 14th, followed by Jacksonville, Florida on Sunday, April 15th. Check out the regional qualifier schedule. Visit MultiGP.com, click on the Championship tab, and select the 2018 regional qualifier schedule. Also, it's now easier than ever to set up your chapter's qualifier race thanks to RaceSync's latest feature. Just log on to MultiGP.com, proceed to your MultiGP chapter's homepage, click the Add Event button, and select Create a Regional Qualifier. And when we come back, some decent rewards for our Tier 1 chapters you'll want to hear about. Stick around. Our Tier 1 chapters are getting rewarded for all the hard work they put in and day out, running races and growing the sport, so we thank them. Take a look. Tier 1 chapters, get excited. Here are the rewards we're giving out to you guys. 2 free I.O. tickets per Tier 1 chapter. Remember, this is just for chapter organizers only. Access to Tier 1 co-group where all the exciting conversations happen. Access to participate in live stream town councils. Discount codes for gates. Discount codes to participating vendors. Invites to yearly summit at I.O. and our yearly gate refresh. Hey Tier 1 chapters, take advantage of this. You can get 2 free tickets to the largest FPV event of the year. The MultiGP International Open kicks off August 8th and runs through August 12th at the AMA headquarters in Muncie, Indiana. Due to the high demand of last year's World Cup track, MultiGP is planning a second World Cup track at the 2018 MultiGP International Open. This offers pilots double the amount of World Cup track flying time. Sponsorship opportunities are still available. Sponsors don't miss out. To learn more, email sales@multigp.com. And if you missed it, this is just a reminder. Take advantage of discounted early bird tickets available now. Visit multigp.io and grab your discounted ticket to the 2018 MultiGP International Open. That's all the time we have for this episode of MultiGP News. Remember, we're looking for MultiGP media ambassadors to join our team. Writers, videographers, photogs. Apply in 2 easy steps. To learn more, visit our website at multigp.com and click on the League Info tab. Also, catch glimpses of MultiGP drone racing at the 2017 National Championships during the Reno Championship Air Races. The upcoming episode airs Sunday, April 21st at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on NBC Sports. Finally, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching. I'm Kalara Maynade reporting for MultiGP News. If you like this video, press the like button below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in being showcased in the next episode of MultiGP News, please contact us at news@multigp.com.